So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Google your homepage on Safari. So the first thing you want to check out is the Safari app. So from here you can see this is my homepage, and from here you will see recently closed tab, so maybe I was using Google. So from here I can just open it up. I can click these more actions buttons and I can see some of the options that it offers me. So again, I could go into the three dots and I can do something to not really make it my homepage. So the first thing that pops up, you can do that on your Mac though, but not on your iPhone. But there's a workaround as well. You can do that by adding it to your favorites. So you can click add to favorites and you can see it opens up something like this. Once you've set it up entirely, click on save. And after that, even though you exit some pages, you can see it stays under favorites, so it's very easy to access. So anything you type will also be in Google, so it's almost as if you have Google on it right away. So let's exit then that and check on settings and make sure that in settings you've set it Google up as your default search engine, since it's going to be easier to navigate Safari. If you want to make Google your homepage, it's going to be much easier if Google already is your default search engine. So from here you can see default browser app, language, search engine, Google. So that's fine. And once you open your homepage, you can type something in as if you're using Google. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.